Imagine this. You're driving home from work, the sun is setting, and your favorite song is playing on the radio. Suddenly, you feel a thump and hear a hissing sound. Your heart sinks as you pull over to the side of the road. You have a flat tire on a busy highway in the pouring rain, and you're miles from home. To top it off, you realize your spare tire is flat too. Frustration sets in as you realize you'll need a tow and a new tire. This unexpected event throws a wrench into your evening, but it throws something else into jeopardy too: your budget. Car troubles, medical bills, or emergency home repairs have a knack for showing up when you least expect them. Without some money tucked away for a rainy day, these events can derail your finances. That's where a rainy day fund comes in. It's your financial safety net, your peace of mind, and your shield against the unexpected curveballs life throws your way. Life is full of surprises, and unfortunately, not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected events like a sudden job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs can happen to anyone. These situations often come with hefty price tags that can put a serious strain on your finances. Statistics show that a significant percentage of people don't have enough savings to cover an unexpected $400 expense. This can lead to a cycle of debt, stress, and financial instability. Having a rainy day fund acts as a buffer between you and these unforeseen expenses. It provides a financial cushion to absorb the blow of unexpected costs, allowing you to navigate these challenges without derailing your financial goals. Building a rainy day fund is one of the most important steps you can take to secure your financial well-being. It's like having a financial safety net that catches you when life throws you a curveball. This safety net provides a sense of security and control over your finances. Knowing you have funds set aside for unexpected expenses can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. A rainy day fund isn't just about covering emergencies, it's about empowering yourself to make choices that align with your values and goals. It's about taking control of your finances and building a more secure future for yourself. It's about being prepared for whatever life throws your way. A rainy day fund, also known as an emergency fund, is a stash of money set aside specifically to cover unexpected expenses. It's not your vacation fund or your down payment for a house. It's your safety net for those just-in-case moments life throws your way. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wait until it's pouring rain to buy an umbrella, would you? You buy it beforehand so you're prepared. A rainy day fund is the same concept. You save money now so you're prepared when an unexpected financial storm hits. How big should your rainy day fund be? The answer depends on your individual circumstances and financial obligations. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This means if you lose your job or face a major unexpected expense, you have enough money saved to cover your essential bills for at least 3 to 6 months. If you have a stable job, good health, and no dependents, you might feel comfortable with a smaller emergency fund. On the other hand, if you have a family to support, inconsistent income, or potential health concerns, a larger emergency fund can provide greater peace of mind. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution and aim for a slightly larger emergency fund than you think you need. Start small and gradually increase your savings over time. Building a rainy day fund starts with a simple yet powerful tool: a budget. A budget isn't about restricting your spending. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious choices about how you want to allocate it. The first step is to track your income and expenses. Write down everything you earn and everything you spend for a month or two. This will give you a clear picture of your cash flow and help you identify areas where you can potentially cut back. By identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses, you can free up more money to direct towards your rainy day fund. Automation, your rainy day best friend. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to let saving fall by the wayside. That's where automation comes in, your new best friend in the quest for financial security. Automation takes the guesswork and willpower out of saving. Most banks offer automatic transfer services that allow you to schedule regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Set up a recurring transfer for the same day you receive your paycheck, so the money is automatically tucked away before you even have a chance to spend it. Automation is a powerful tool that can help you build your rainy day fund without lifting a finger. Building a rainy day fund might seem daunting, especially if you're starting from scratch. But remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start by setting small, achievable saving goals that you can gradually increase over time. Even setting aside $10 or $20 a week can make a difference. Instead of spending that money, redirect it to your rainy day fund. Another helpful strategy is to break down your savings goal into smaller milestones. For example, instead of focusing on saving a daunting $5,000, aim to save $500 first. Consistency is key when it comes to building a rainy day fund. Having a clear savings goal is like having a compass. It gives you direction and helps you stay focused on your financial journey. Start by determining how much you want to save in your rainy day fund. Remember the rule of thumb: aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Calculate your essential monthly costs, including housing, utilities, food, transportation, and debt payments. Then, multiply that amount by 3 to 6 to determine your target savings goal. Once you have a target number in mind, write it down and keep it somewhere visible as a reminder. This visual cue can serve as motivation to stay on track with your savings plan. One of the biggest hurdles to saving money is the belief that we simply can't afford it. We tell ourselves that our expenses are too high, our income is too low, or we have too many financial obligations. But the truth is, saving money is less about how much you earn and more about how you manage what you have. Start by shifting your mindset from "I can't afford to save" to "I can't afford not to save." Once you've embraced the importance of saving, take a hard look at your spending habits. Track your expenses for a month and identify areas where you can potentially cut back. From there, get creative with finding ways to free up more cash in your budget. Remember, saving money is a marathon, not a sprint. Making your money work for you. Saving money isn't just about putting money aside. It's also about making that money work for you. To truly maximize your savings potential, you need to explore savings tools that offer interest or potential returns. Start by exploring high-yield savings accounts. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. Another option is to consider certificates of deposit, or CDs. CDs offer a fixed interest rate for a set period, guaranteeing a certain return on your investment. No matter which savings tool you choose, the key is to start early and be consistent with your contributions. Section 1. Weathering the storm, maintaining your rainy day fund. Congratulations! You've worked hard to build a solid rainy day fund. You have your umbrella ready for those unexpected downpours. But like any good umbrella, your rainy day fund needs regular maintenance to stay strong and protect you when you need it most. Remember, this fund has a very specific purpose: to be there for you during emergencies. It's not for impulse purchases or last-minute vacations. Resist the temptation to dip into it for non-essential expenses. Think of it like a fire extinguisher. You wouldn't use it to put out a candle. Life has a way of throwing curveballs, so it's crucial to replenish your fund after dipping into it. Let's say you had to use $1,000 to fix your car. Instead of feeling defeated, create a plan to replace that $1,000 as quickly as possible. Regularly review and adjust your savings goals as needed. Life changes, like a salary increase, a new family member, or a change in living situation, may require you to revisit your savings targets. Think of it as adjusting your umbrella's size depending on how strong the storm is. By taking a proactive approach to maintaining your rainy day fund, you'll ensure that it's always there to protect you when those financial storms inevitably hit. Section 2. Plugging the leaks, smart spending strategies. Maintaining a healthy rainy day fund isn't just about diligently saving. It's also about being mindful of your spending habits. Think of your finances like a ship. Even a small leak can sink it if left unchecked. Start by taking a close look at your monthly expenses. Are there any areas where you can trim the fat? Perhaps you could try cooking at home more often instead of ordering takeout. Maybe you could switch to a more affordable phone plan or cancel those subscription boxes you rarely use. Make saving a game by challenging yourself to find creative ways to cut back. turn it into a family affair, and get your loved ones involved in brainstorming budget-friendly activities and meals. You might be surprised how much fun you can have while saving money. Remember, small changes to your spending habits can make a significant difference over time. Just like patching up those small leaks in your ship, plugging those spending leaks in your budget will help keep your financial ship afloat. While cutting expenses is crucial for maintaining a healthy rainy day fund, exploring ways to boost your income can supercharge your savings efforts. Think of it as opening more windows in your financial house to let the sunshine in. Consider taking on a side hustle. The gig economy offers countless opportunities to earn extra income. Whether it's freelance writing, driving for a ride-sharing service, or selling handmade crafts online, find something you enjoy and that fits your schedule. Don't be afraid to ask for a raise or promotion at work. If you've been consistently exceeding expectations, it's perfectly acceptable to negotiate for better compensation. Prepare your case, highlight your accomplishments, and practice your pitch. By diversifying your income streams and exploring opportunities for growth, you'll create multiple avenues for financial security and accelerate your savings journey. Section 4. Watching your garden grow, making your savings blossom. Once you've established a solid foundation for maintaining and growing your rainy day fund, it's time to explore ways to make your savings work even harder for you. Think of your savings like a garden. With the right care and attention, it can flourish and yield even greater rewards. Explore high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow at a faster pace. Shop around for the best rates and look for accounts with low fees and minimal balance requirements. Consider investing a portion of your savings in low-risk investment options. While it's essential to keep your emergency fund easily accessible, you can explore options like certificates of deposit, or CDs, or low-risk mutual funds for a portion of your savings to potentially earn higher returns over time. Remember, the key to successful saving and investing is to do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and choose options that align with your financial goals. By making informed decisions and diversifying your saving strategy, you can watch your financial garden blossom and reap the rewards of your hard work. Section 1. The power of starting today. You've read about the importance of a rainy day fund. You understand how it acts as a financial safety net, a cushion against life's unexpected events. You've learned about setting goals, budgeting wisely, and even boosting your income. But perhaps you're still thinking, I'll start saving next month. Here's the thing, there's no better time to start than today. Procrastination is a powerful force. It whispers promises of tomorrow while subtly stealing your financial security today. Don't let it. Even a small amount saved today is a victory. It's a step towards financial peace of mind. Remember that even small amounts, consistently saved, add up over time. That's the magic of compound interest. The money you save today has the potential to grow, working for you even while you sleep. The sooner you plant that seed, the sooner it will blossom. Don't let another day go by without taking action. Start small, be consistent, and watch your financial security grow. Section 2. Your future self will thank you. Imagine yourself a year from now. You've diligently saved bit by bit, building your rainy day fund. Now picture an unexpected expense arising. Instead of panic, you feel a sense of calm. You're prepared. That right there is the power of a rainy day fund. It's not just about money, it's about peace of mind, control, and freedom. Saving for a rainy day is an act of self-care. It's about prioritizing your well-being, both financial and emotional. It's about securing your future and facing the unknown with confidence. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you show today. They'll thank you for the ability to weather financial storms without derailing your life goals. They'll thank you for the gift of financial freedom. So take that first step. Open that savings account, automate a small transfer, or simply toss some spare change in a jar. No matter how small, that action is a powerful declaration. You are in control of your financial future. Section 3. Open your umbrella before the storm. Life is unpredictable, that's a given, but how you face those uncertainties makes all the difference. You can wait for the storm to hit, scrambling for cover when it's already too late, or you can be prepared. You can open your umbrella before the first raindrop falls. Building a rainy day fund is about taking control. It's about saying yes to opportunities, embracing challenges, and navigating life's ups and downs with financial confidence. Don't wait for a financial crisis to teach you the importance of saving. Start today, no matter how small. Make it a habit, a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and protect yourself from the storms ahead. Your future self will thank you for it.